on reporter number 1 na sagutan ko ang problem natin about application of function to model and solve real life situation. Problem 1. Aling Jocelyn Susan Star in her barangay. She buys a case of 24 soft drinks for 360 pesos. She sells each bottle for 20 pesos. Her daily fixed cost for electricity to run a refrigerator is 30 pesos. Letter A. Write a linear function, the value of f, p, and x. That model her total daily profit after selling x bottle of soft drinks. Letter B. How many bottles must Aling sell to make a daily profit of 300 pesos? So, sa letter A, isulat natin ang linear function sa value na p at x. Sa bagay, kukunin muna natin yung presyo ng each bottle 24 soft drinks. 360 pesos divided by 24 piece of soft drinks is 15 pesos. At ang income niya ay binibenta niya ito ng 20 pesos. At yung expenses niya ay 15x plus 30 refrigerator. Yung presyo ng refrigerator. Ginamit ko lang income minus expenses para masulat natin sa linear function. 20x minus 15x plus 30. 20x minus 15 is 5x. Yung positive 30, magiging negative siya dahil minus tayo sa parenthesis. How many bottles must Aling sell to make a daily profit of 300? So, kailangan natin malaman kung ilan yung bottles na kailangan ibenta ni Aling para makumenta siya ng 300 pesos. The value of p at x is equal to 300. Ilalagay lang natin yung linear function to sa the value of p at x. 5x minus 30 is equal to 300. Itatapos lang natin yung negative 30 at magiging positive. 300 plus 30 is 330. Divide both sides by 5 cancel 5. 330 divided by 6 divided by 5 ay 66. At kailangan makabenta ni Aling Josie ng 66 na bottles para kumita ng 300 pesos. Problem number 2. A vendor at a bus terminal in promotions boxes of pasalubong like PI. He currently sells a box for 100. Sa number 2, solve natin yung quadratic function, the value of r at x for the terminal revenue at total revenue, where x represents the number of 5 prices. So yung price natin ay 150 minus 5x. At yung quantity naman ay 50 plus 5x. Sinabstitute ko lang sa price times quantity. 150 times 50 ay 7,500. 150 times 5x 750x. Negative 5x times 50 12x 5 negative 5x times 5x negative 25x. 750x minus 250 ay 500. Ito na yung aming quadratic function. So para makuha natin ang maximum is na revenue, gagamitin natin ang formula na x is equal to negative 5 over 2 times a. At ang a natin ay negative 25. Ang p naman ay 500. 500 divided by 2 times negative 25 is 50. At 500, nakachilan natin yung negative para hindi na tayo malito. 500 divided by 2 ay 10. So, ito na yung price value 1. Para makuha naman ang price decrease 5 times 10 at yung price naman is ma-minus natin 150 minus 50 makuha natin ay 100 pesos. Kailangan ang presyo niya nasa per box ay 100 pesos at yung sa box naman ay 100 pesos. So 100 times 100 ay 10,000 at ang maximum revenue ay